Welcome to this video. Today we will talk about how to handle complaints when you book accommodation using Booking.com. Many people think that if something goes wrong, there is nothing they can do. But this is not true. In this video, you will learn what to do before your stay, during your stay, and after your stay. You will also learn how to avoid the most common mistakes that can cost you time, money, and a lot of stress. The goal is simple: to help you get the best possible solution when something goes wrong. This video is not about attacking properties or Booking.com. It is about understanding how the system works and how to use it in a smart way. Let's begin. Every property is different. Every owner has a different idea of what good condition means. What is acceptable for one guest can be horrible for another guest. Some people are very strict. Others are more relaxed. That is why Booking.com allows properties to show photos and descriptions of their rooms and surroundings. But sometimes these photos are old, sometimes they are not updated, and sometimes they simply do not show the full reality. This is why reviews are extremely important. You should always check the review score. You should read what other guests write, and you should see how the property reacts to complaints. As a simple rule, a score under 7.5 should only be booked for a very good price. Very low scores should always be booked with great caution. Good preparation can already save you from many problems. Before you book any property, take a few minutes to check some important things. Look at the photos carefully. Read the description of the room and the property. Check what is included and what is not included. Then read the reviews. Do not only look at the number. Read what people complain about. If many guests complain about cleanliness, noise, or bad communication, this is a warning sign. If the property answers politely and tries to fix problems, this is a good sign. Also, check the payment and cancellation rules. Some properties are flexible. Some are very strict. These few minutes can save you many hours of problems later. You arrive at the property and something is wrong. Maybe the room is dirty. Maybe something is broken. Maybe the room is not what you booked. The first rule is very simple. Contact the property first. Use the Booking.com chat in the app. This is very important because it creates proof that you tried to solve the problem. Explain the problem calmly and clearly. Give the property some time to respond. Usually, a couple of hours is a reasonable time. Many problems can be solved directly. Maybe they can clean the room. Maybe they can change your room. Maybe they can fix the problem. This is always the first step. If the property does not help you, or if they ignore you, then it is time to contact Booking.com. And here is a very important tip. Always call. Do not write an email. Emails can take many hours, sometimes even more than one day. A phone call is much faster and more effective. You can find the phone number in your booking confirmation email. Call that number and follow the instructions. This way, you can speak directly to a service agent who can start helping you immediately. Before you call Booking.com, prepare two important things: your confirmation number and your PIN code. The agent will ask you for this information to open your booking in the system. They will also ask you to confirm your name. If you have this ready, everything goes faster. If not, you may lose time searching for emails while you're on the phone. Being prepared makes the whole process much easier and less stressful. The service agent will first ask if you contacted the property. If you did not, they will ask you to do it first. If you did, Booking.com will take over from there. They will contact the property for you. They will explain the problem, and they will try to find a solution. Sometimes they can solve it quickly. Sometimes they have to wait for the property to answer. If the property does not answer, Booking.com will send them an email and wait for a response. Very important. Do not book a new place on your own without written approval. If you move without approval, you pay for it yourself.
Always take photos and videos of the problem. Do this as soon as possible. Many properties do not see the problem the same way you do. Some may even say that there is no problem at all. Booking.com needs proof to negotiate with the property. Photos and videos make your case much stronger. With good proof, you may get a partial refund. You may get a cancellation. Or you may get another fair solution. Without proof, it is much harder to get help.
If the problem is about the condition of the property or cleanliness, follow these steps. First, take photos before you unpack your things. Then contact the property using the Booking.com chat. Ask for cleaning or a room change. If this is not possible, ask for another solution. If the property does not help, contact Booking.com. Show them your photos and explain the situation calmly. Cleanliness and basic condition are very important, and these problems should always be taken seriously. If the problem is noise, first ask for a quieter room. If the noise continues, record it as proof. If you get a different room that is worse than what you booked, do not accept a downgrade without compensation. If the host does not answer your messages, keep everything inside the Booking.com chat system. Do not move to WhatsApp or other apps. Booking.com can only use their own system as proof. If communication is bad, contact Booking.com early. If you cannot check in or cannot access the property, document how long you are waiting and contact Booking.com immediately. If the property asks for extra money, check your confirmation email. Some fees like city tax or deposits are normal if they are written in the offer, but hidden charges should be refused and reported. If you find mold, pests, or other health risks, document everything. Do not accept only cleaning. Ask for relocation and contact Booking.com right away. This is one of the most important rules in this video. Do not cancel your booking by yourself if there is a problem. If you cancel, Booking.com usually cannot help you anymore. Always wait for a Booking.com agent to tell you what to do. They will tell you if and when a cancellation is the right solution. In most cases, they do not recommend that you cancel on your own. Always wait for written confirmation. Problems can happen anywhere, even in good properties. The difference is knowing how to handle them. If you prepare well, document everything, contact the right people, and follow the correct steps, you have a much better chance to get a fair solution. This is how you become a Booking.com pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content.